Welcome to the first demo of using Telemetry Exporter. First, download a fit file from Garmin. In this demo, I will try to export data for the downhill part. Remember the timer's data before and after descending. To download Telemetry Exporter, open the link from the description and scroll to the download section. Open the releases page and download the latest zip from assets. Extract the contents. Find and open Telemetry Exporter UI.exe. Select the downloaded fit file. Use the sliders to select a range from the activity. The date will blink in green, this means the value is saved. Move them slowly, they could slip out. Make adjustments. Set the FPS value. More FPS mean larger size of the export. It's not necessary to be same as video FPS, it can be adjusted later. Check this if you want statistics to be calculated from the left marker. Select widgets for export. Optionally select Save Location, by default desktop. Click Export and wait. The green line shows the progress. A zip file is created at the save location. The export file name looks like this. The zip structure is the following: category/widget/frame. After the export, images looks like this. In DaVinci Resolve, create new timeline. Use same FPS as the video. From Media tab, find your video clips and import them. Add to Media Pool. Important step for frames. Change display mode to sequence. This allows to thread them as a single file. Again, check the difference. Do the same for the rest. In Edit tab, import videos from Media Pool. Important for frames, set frame rate to be same as the value from Telemetry Exporter. Then import in timeline. Adjust position and size. Do the same for the rest. Now my frames overlay are synced with video, and removing unnecessary parts. In Delivery tab, Set setting for exporting like the original recorded video. To avoid this message, set timeline resolution, same as exporting resolution. When ready, click render and wait. The result.